Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Webmin on Ubuntu 20.04 server. This is my server information: IP address 192.168.0.150, operating system Ubuntu 20.04, RAM 2GB, disk 25GB, virtual CPU 2, CPU mode 64-bit, service Webmin, hostname webmin.technologyrss.local. Now I am checking server version and IP address Ubuntu 20.04, focal code, and this is my IP address. Must be server update and upgrade using this command. It will take up to 5 or 10 minutes for fully upgrade. It depends on your network speed. Upgrade done. Now add Webmin repo into apt source list. Now add this repo into source list file, and then update. This repo file is working. Yes, successfully. Okay, status, and then update this repo using apt update, then install Webmin. This is main command for install Webmin package. Must be press Y. Do you want to continue? Yes, or you can include option Y Webmin for installation process. It will take up to 3 seconds for download 28 MB. Yes, running installation process. When installation done, now access your server IP address and clone port 10.0.0.0.0 and login username root and password as your root password. Your connection is not private, and go to advanced, then proceed unsafe connection and type root and type root password. This is coming up Webmin dashboard. This is latest version Webmin dashboard. This is my system hostname webmin.technologyrss, IP address, operating system, and many feature. You have this dashboard, server, tools, HTTP tunnel, SSH login, text login, networking, hardware, cluster, unused module. Basically I am using Webmin for DNS manage. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.